The FBI is asking for public tips to help track down its newest 10 most wanted fugitive. Marlon Jones is an alleged member of a Jamaican narcotics crew who is wanted for killing 4 people. Case agent Scott Garriola says Jones was at a rival gang celebration on October 15th in Los Angeles when
Jones initiated the violence by shooting someone in the head. There was gunfire from multiple people, and when the dust settled, there were 4 dead and 10 wounded.
Investigators believe Marlon Jones was born in Jamaica and is in the U.S. illegally. Jones, who has a long criminal history, has used many aliases.
He also has different dates of birth, different places of birth that range from the Virgin Islands to Wisconsin, New York.
A reward of up to $100,000 is available for information leading to the arrest of Marlon Jones. If you have any information, please call your local FBI field office or the nearest American embassy or consulate. Tips can remain anonymous. With Wanted by the FBI, I'm Molly Halpern of the Bureau.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification button. Now, this guy right here, him did kill Radigan and 4 other people, and him get catch in a LA on the freeway. This was in 2017. Him get catch February 2017. But it seems like him just disappear off of the map. Let's go. Now, the youth Marlon Jones, them catch him. And somebody give him up for $100,000. Look at the screen in front of you right there. Yo, that's a easy $100,000. Easy $100,000, yo. A boy there want waste, man. But me have a little clip when them catch him on the freeway. Cause a girl did a drive him. Me feel like the girl who did a drive him. Me a laugh, but the girl who did a drive him give him way.
Guns drawn, LAPD officers approach this white SUV on the 110 freeway near Adams Boulevard following a pursuit. A woman, the driver, on the ground. The male murder suspect fled. He's now identified as Marlon Jones.
Now, I did a video on Radigan killing. So, me I try to figure out who is this Marlon Jones. Me do a video on this already, you know. And me still not reach nowhere with it. Him get arrested, them catch him on the freeway like you just see the video. Them charge him for 4 murder. And this was in February of 2017. He made a court appearance in February when them catch him. And his next court appearance was April 27, 2017. And after that, we don't hear anything about him. We don't know where the case there. We don't know anything. But one thing we know, him kill Robert Davis Radigan. The FBI say him walk up to Radigan and shoot Radigan in him head. And after him shoot Radigan, then a bunch of barrage of gunshot. It end up that 4 people dead. Them charge him for the 4 murder, but from what the FBI say, a whole heap of shot did a fire. So them don't know, them are not really him kill the 4 people, but because of him, so them charge him too. With that said, we don't know what him and Radigan did have. We know say Radigan come from Maxfield, him run with the RATBAT them. We know say him did get deported many times and end up back America and still make money. Sir P just do a video, say Radigan wife or baby mother get catch with Colombian. So you know say them people they always in a things and always make money. We don't know where him and Radigan have. But we do know so the FBI knows everything about this man. I'm going to explain it right now. The FBI said him go by the name Marlon Jones, but them don't know if that time real name. Him have many birth dates, many birth certificates. Him even have birth certificate saying he's from the Virgin Island. That's one of the typical movement of the Jamaican gangster them. Them try use Virgin Island information when them they are foreign illegal in America and them thing there. Them pretty much know everything about him. Somebody give him up for the $100,000, and he went to court and pretty much disappeared. So my question is, who is this Marlon Jones? Some people did I say him come from Southside. People did I say him come from Tivoli. Some people did I say different things, but what makes this even more weird is that he went to court and disappeared. So me I wonder if that boy I work with the police them now. You never know. You never know. Because the FBI is nothing to play with. In my next video, I'm gonna do a profile of the FBI and how Jamaica government police should have program. You understand? So me I go show that, but we don't know what him and Radigan have. You can't see from him profile a straight drugs man, but him not have no money. So a waste man that, you understand? Him is a violence producer. You can't tell a boy like him a send gun go Jamaica and all them thing there. So, yeah, him go straight up to Radigan and shoot him in him head. At the little restaurant, them say it's like a base, a house converted into a temporary restaurant lounge thing like. So, me I try to figure out who is Marlon Jones and where is he now. He should be in federal lockup and we still don't know anything about him. Okay, me do a little bit more digging while me I make that video here. And apparently him named Junior, and he must be that girl named Wendy. And can me get that information here off of Pinkwall, you know Pinkwall big and famous. Can me I say, yo, more go some more and try to figure out who that boy is. But it seems like a long time him there foreign, a run round in the drug circle, but him not get nowhere. And he just make bad decision off of each. Now, like, me say me I go wrap up that video here, but my suspect was like, the girl them push him out. Somebody shoot him out, cause the FBI said them are gonna pay the $100,000 reward. So, with that said, me have a little clip when me I go play.
Gil and Dem tell Harfi shove him out and collect D100 GS.
That's the little clip off of Pinkwall where them say the girl them push him out. But if you look at the screen in front of me, it's like that youth had it mix up in some things. Cause it seems like him have a baby mother named Wendy or Tamika, and the people them a say boy she gonna be stressed out. So another waste girl them out there, them a fuck the waste man them, and them a create a broken society. Me I tell you, typical Jamaican. Anyways, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification button and click on another video. Me don't know whether you here have with Radigan, but that youth a big waste man. I'm out.